Hello and welcome back to the news update from Nagaland State BJP unit. Today's update is a focus on the activities initiated by Honorable Advisor for Department of Power Sri Tovihoto IME. I am Sapralingeka and here are the news in detail. Honorable Advisor for Department of Power Sri Tovihoto IME is a smart young leader who is looked upon by his people as a sincere and dedicated leader who carries forth his responsibilities with conviction. He is the elected representative from Dimapur 1 Assembly constituency. As the state of Nagaland began to reel under uncertainty with the imposition of lockdown in the state due to COVID-19 pandemic, he remained true to his calling as a people's leader and began to work with all sincerity and dedication in the service of his people as well as the people of Dimapur district. On the 24th of March 2020, the Honorable Advisor Sri Tovihoto IME handed 1,000 masks and 100 liters of sanitizers to Dimapur police. On the 27th of March 2020, the Honorable Advisor Sri Tovihoto IME attended a review meeting which was convened by Dimapur District COVID-19 in charge and Minister Jacob Jimomi at DC Conference Hall. The meeting was also attended by District Administration, Police, Medical Department, members from Food and Civil Supplies and Dimapur Municipal Council to take stock of the pandemic situation. The Honorable Advisor for Power Sri Tovihoto IME along with Nagaland Chief Minister Sri Nipurio, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Y. Patton and Minister of Health and Family Welfare Sri S. Panyuprom had on the 3rd of April 2020 visited the COVID-19 hospital in Dimapur and quarantine center at Tourist Lodge Dimapur to oversee the preparations underway. On the 8th of April 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME, Honorable MLA and Advisor for Department of Power, distributed rice to more than 2,000 needy households in his Dimapur 1 Assembly constituency in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic situation and subsequent lockdown in the state of Nagaland. On the 9th of April 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME assisted and took the initiative in helping Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Nagaland and distributed 500 food package to those working in the front line and also to the needy across Dimapur town. Also, on the 17th of April 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME along with Minister of PHED Sri Jacob Jimomi held a review meeting and discussed about necessary requirements with DC and CMO of Dimapur district. On the 24th of April 2020, the Honorable Advisor contributed Rs 50,000 and 50 bags of rice to BJYM Nagaland to procure essential items for the needy. On the 4th of May 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME attended a distribution program at DDSC Stadium conducted by Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Nagaland, where he donated face mask, face shield, food packets to Dimapur Municipal Council and Dimapur Police. On the 7th of May 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME along with Minister of PHED Sri Jacob Jimomi attended a meeting with District Administration, Medical Department, Police, Naga Council Dimapur, Western Sumi Hoho and Chakuma Public Organization Dimapur to review the pandemic situation in Nagaland. On the 10th of May 2020, the Honorable Advisor Sri Tovihoto IME along with Minister of Health and Family Welfare Sri S. Panyuprom visited and took assessment of the preparation and installation process of BSL-2 lab in Referral Hospital Dimapur. On the 13th of May 2020, Honorable Advisor Sri Tovihoto IME accompanied the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland Sri Nipurio and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Y. Patton to inspect the quarantine facilities in Dimapur. On the 19th of April 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME contributed essential commodities to Dimapur Karbi Anglong border area to 1,286 migrant families. He also donated essential items to daily wage earners in Dimapur town. On the 25th of May 2020, Sri Tovihoto IME along with Honorable MLA Ajeto Sema inspected the quarantine center at Livingstone Higher Secondary School, Thaheke and Kevijau for accommodation facilities to be provided to 200 women. He applauded the Western Sumi Hoho and Western Sumi Baptist Akukahu Church for their remarkable management. Apart from all these activities, the Honorable Advisor of Power Department, Sri Tovihoto IME, had provided basic essential supplies to 5,200 households under Dimapur 1 Assembly Constituency, and another essential supplies were distributed to 3,500 households in Dimapur district. Also, he distributed basic medical kits like masks and sanitizers to Commissioner of Police Dimapur, Power Department personnel and others. In addition, he also provided packed food to frontline workers in around Dimapur town. Also, basic essential supplies were provided to the field staff under Dimapur Electrical Division Department of Power. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have for you today. We shall be back with more news updates tomorrow covering the activities of Honorable Advisor for IT, Science and Technology and NRE, Sri Mongnumo Kikon. Till then, take care and stay tuned.